So first day back out. We've been down for 21 days. So 3 weeks. But we're back. We're downtown Hartsville, South Carolina. We're at the Down South Sugar LLC Salon and Spa. We're glad to be back out here on the truck. Like I said, it's been a while. But we back. We in full effect. And
Ready to serve.
stay tuned for some more footage. Be back. So yeah, we're out here. Got a tour going on. This was food truck week. They hosted food trucks all week. Like I said, downtown Hartsville, South Carolina, and we ready.
What did you want? Good. So I need a rainbow salad. I need 2 sweet somethings. And can I get one of those with no honey? And then add a 3rd sweet something.
Rainbow, 2 sweet something, one with no honey and another.
Yes, ma'am.
Close to home.
You said 32? Yep, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We hope you all enjoy it.
Good, how you doing?
I'm gonna do the strawberry cream and cake
Okay.
and the sweet corn.
So I had to leave the truck for a minute and go grab a bite to eat. And I had to walk, I ain't walked too far, came around the corner to Sophia's Pizzeria in downtown Hartsville. And Let me get back to the truck. Look like they're setting up. Look like they're setting up for an event tomorrow. See the trailers over there. And let me turn this around. They're setting up a stage right here. Guess there'll be some performances done there, but yeah, we got some food and we are headed back to the truck and get ready to eat. Peace. Alright, so got them in here doing some shopping as we pack up and get ready to leave. Look at that, in here doing some shopping.
What you got?
She got a pocket. Here Down South Sugar LLC in Hartsville, South Carolina. And about to pack it up and roll out.
See you guys on the next one.